Hello and welcome everyone. Here is our another video. Our today's topic is quality risk management. So before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can get the latest video and notification. So let's start the video. First is, what is quality risk management? Quality risk management is a process that is relevant to all the countries and should provide a rationale to understand risk and mitigate it through appropriate and robust controls. It is a systematic process for the assessment, control, communication and review of risk to the quality of the medical product. Next is FMEA, a risk management tool. The basis of FMEA is identifying failure modes. FMEA is a very good tool and can be extremely helpful for design and development teams while evaluating material, component and sub-assemblies comprising medical devices. But FMEA is more of reliability tool rather than the risk management tool. What is risk assessment tool? A risk assessment is a term used to describe the overall process or method where you identify hazards and risk factors that have potential to cause harm, analyze and evaluate the risk associated with that hazards. What is QRM in pharma? Quality risk management is one of the most important tasks when it comes to pharmaceutical industry. It is because of industry produced medicine whose quality is directly related to the patient health. Next, what is ICH-Q10? ICH-Q10 is a model for a pharmaceutical quality system that can be implemented throughout the different stages of a product life cycle. Much of the content of ICH-Q10 applicable to manufacturing site is currently specified by regional GMP requirements. Next, what is FMEA in PQM? Failure mode and effect analysis is a structural approach to discovering potential failure that may exist within the design of a product or process. Failure modes are the way in which a process can fail. Effects are the way that this failure can lead to waste, defect or harmful outcome for the customer. Next, what is risk management tool and techniques? Risk management tool and techniques are brainstorming. To begin brainstorming process, you must assess the risk that could impact your project. Root cause analysis, risk assessment, risk register, probability and impact matrix, risk data quality assessment. Next, how is FMEA calculated? When performing a process or design FMEA, the risk priority number is a calculation to sort out risk from highest to lowest. The RPM is calculated by multiplying three scoring columns, that is severity, occurrence and detection. What are the 5 steps of risk management? HSE suggests that risk assessment should follow following 5 steps. Step 1, identifying the hazards. Step 2, decide who might be harmed and how. Step 3, evaluate the risk and decide on precautions. Step 4, record your findings and implement them. Step 5, review your assessment and update if necessary. Hope you like this video. For more video and notification, join us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.